Guys, we have a little magic show. Where you going? Magic show. Where you going? Magic show. Magic show. Magic show. Where you going? What are you sticking up your nose, my friend? That is disgusting. Oh, on your nose. Hey, do you know what? Every Wednesday night at my house is pizza night. What's today? Today's Friday. I got almost a whole week to go before pizza night rolls around again. We love pizza in my house. You guys like pizza? Every Wednesday night is pizza night. Sometimes we go and buy a pizza, but most of the time we make our own, you guys. What we do is we get the pizza dough. We all take turns putting something out that we really like. We have a special oven we use for cooking our pizza. We have an oven door on that side, oven door on that side. Sometimes we have friends over, so we need more than one pizza. So what we do is we put the pizza inside the oven to cook. And guys, you know what? We like pizza so much in my house, it disappears real fast. You're not going to believe this. The pizza has disappeared. How wicked, what? It's my favorite food too. What's the matter with you? Yes, it did. It's gone, you see?
It's in the other door.
No, it's not on the other door. It's gone, you guys. Huh? No, it did not. I can show you this side. You see, it's gone. It's not over there, you guys. I can show you the pizza has disappeared. What? No, there's nothing there. It's gone. You see? It's gone. What? You said... So what? It's gone. I told you guys. Now look, after it disappears, I'm going to find it right on eat. And I love pizza. So the first place I look is over here. It might be... What's the matter with you guys? It's back here? No, it's not back over there, you guys. Huh? On my back. Hey! That's not funny. That's disgusting. Greasy pizza on my back. Ew! Wicked gross! Do not laugh at that, please. That was disgusting. I need a helper. All right, smarty pants. What is your name, sir?
Seth.
How old are you, Seth?
13.
13, wicked cool. Seth, do you know how to tie your shoes?
Yes, I do.
When I was 13, I could not tie my shoes, my friend.
I remember when I was 2.
When you were 2?
Yes.
Holy cow, you're pretty good. I couldn't do it. I was 13, I couldn't do it. I used magic to tie my shoes. Can I show you how I used to do it?
Yes.
All right, 75. All right, now, you know what? Tell you what. We're going to do something even harder for you. Since you already know how to tie your shoes, we're going to do something wicked hard for you, my friend.
Like what?
We are going to need a glass jar with a cover on the top. You know what? We're going to make it easier for Seth. We're going to take the cover off. But I do need my little box. My box has 2 doors, a door in the front. Seth, stand over here. You're freaking me out. There's a door in the back. There's holes inside, so we can put things inside the box without opening up all the doors. Hold the handkerchief, Seth. Push it inside the box, my friend. All the way inside there. Shove it in there. Come on, Seth. Wait a minute. How old are you?
13.
You know, guys, he's 13. Should we do this the easy way or the hard way?
Easy.
Easy. Forget you. We're going to do it the hard way. He's 13 years old. All right. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to put the cover back on the top to make it the really hard way. And to make it really hard, I'm going to cover up the whole thing with a little tube just like that. Now what you're going to try and do is make that handkerchief disappear from the box. Go inside that jar with the cover on the top covered by the tube. Do you think you can do it?
No.
Oh, come on. Do you think you can do it?
I don't think I can.
Come on. Do you think you can do it?
I can.
All right, hold on. Seth. Do you think you can do it? Yes! There you go, big guy. Enthusiasm. All right. Wave your hands over the box. Perfect. Check it out, you guys. I can open the front door to show you the box is empty. Nothing over there. Nothing over there. The box is empty, you guys. Now, huh? Didn't fall out. What are you talking about? Now, how big? Hey, Seth.
I did not do
What are
that.
you? Come
I did
here.
not do that. You did that.
Look it. Don't make it disappear from the box and go on the ground. Make it disappear and go over there. Okay, Seth?
I did not do that.
Don't be making excuses. Hold the handkerchief. Push it inside there, big guy. Shove it in there, Seth. All the way. All the way. Perfect. All right, Seth, wave both hands really fast. Let's see how you did this time.
Oh!
I don't see it on the ground. Oh my gosh. Seth, come here. Let's check it out.
It's in the bottom. How is it in the bottom?
He did it. Can you guys clap for my friend Seth? Seth, that was awesome, big guy. Nicely done.
Chickens, yeah. Look at them. Here we go. Hey. Hey, guy.
He's not going anywhere. He's
See, that's too bad that you didn't.
20.
Annual Community Day and Open House, and I'm actually going to call the band The Endless back up, and thank Ed the Magician, who will be performing another show at 5:30. Thanks The Endless.
I'm ready. You guys ready? Ready? Yep. Lee, you ready? are the Endless. Thanks for having us back.
Hey. Ah.
Everyone else is very Yeah, they're fine. Yeah, I think this year we're going to start mid-June and try to go through mid to late July.
Still getting a farm leg. That's good to tell.
14 weeks from whenever we started.
Bella, here, we'll share. We'll share. Yeah. Put your hand up really flat. Almost a big playground with a water park. See my baby. That was like 4 people.
This next one is a modern rendition of an old piece by Mozart, a local Boston boy. You don't know this one? The Mozart remix? The Mozart remix, the Boston.
Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Talk about things that nobody cares. Wearing out things that nobody wears. Gotta make plans, I gotta make clear. I can't say, baby, where I'll be in a year. Sweet emotion, sweet emotion.
Okay, come on, let's go find a spot for you to go.
You good? You shoe better? You walk fast?
Hey.
You ready to walk now? Here we are. There you go.
It's funny.
Get the last no, one. We don't want. There you go. Ooh, tickles.
Sunlight? That's cool. Here they go. Livestock.
Where's this other? Six. Where are the other four? He's sleeping. They have six? They have six goats. Yeah, I don't know where the others must be inside.